Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Today I'm going to start a new topic, that is diary entry for class 9 students. In this video, I'm going to discuss what is diary entry, format of writing diary entry. I'm going to discuss some very important guidelines for writing diary entry, then marking scheme for class 9th CBSE board, sample diary entry, and at the end of the video you are going to get a homework, that is practice exercise. So let's get started. Students, for class 9th CBSE, writing section is for 10 marks. So here the first topic is descriptive paragraph on a person or a diary entry based on visual or verbal cues. So one out of the two questions is to be answered. So you are going to get a choice between descriptive paragraph and diary entry. This question is for 5 marks. Another topic for writing section is story writing. This is also for 5 marks. So students, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to write a diary entry, and very soon I will upload videos on descriptive paragraph and story writing. Now, what is diary entry? A diary entry is a short composition, a record of the writer's personal feelings, thoughts, emotions, experiences, moods, or activities during the course of a particular day. A diary is like our best friend who keeps all our secrets and our never told stories. So students, through a diary entry, you express your feelings, your thoughts, your emotions. So now these feelings, sometimes you experience feelings of happiness, sometimes sorrow, sometimes surprise. So you should know how to express these feelings. But in your exams, the question on diary entry tests your creativity, imagination, and expression. Because in the exam, you will be given a situation on the basis of which you will be required to produce a diary entry. A situation will be given to you. So you have to use your creativity, imagination, and your expression skills to frame a good diary entry so as to score good marks. These are the guidelines for writing diary entry. A good diary writing contains the day, the date, and even the time of writing. For example, see students, diary entry, it is left aligned. You start your line from the extreme left margin. So first we write day, say Monday. And students, here you don't have to write the short form. For Monday you cannot write MON, for Tuesday TWES dot, that is wrong. You have to write the full name, comma, say 26th January 2021. So here for month you can use short form. And in the second line on left hand side we write time. Now students, in our diary we write all the important events that took place during the day, and we write our diary before going to bed. So the time is at night, evening time. So here you have to write, say 8 p.m., 10:30 p.m., 10 p.m. And students, one more thing. Often I have seen for PM, students write capital PM. Capital PM is the abbreviated form for Prime Minister. So here we are talking of time that is post meridian. So you have to write small pm. Please keep it in mind. ये मैंने बेटा आपको बता दिया है. उसके बाद भी मैं देखूंगी पेपर में बहुत सारे बच्चे कैपिटल पीएम लिख रहे होंगे. So this PM should be in small letters. A diary doesn't need any formal heading. However, it is optional. If you want, you can give a suitable heading. So it is optional. For writing heading, you won't get more marks, or for skipping it, your marks won't be deducted. Now write in the first person, that is I or we. See students, in your exams, what happens like in your paper you get a question, you are Mohit. Last week you celebrated your birthday, so describe it in the form of a diary entry. Now for Mohit you don't have to use he, you are Mohit, so here you have to use first person, that is I. इसमें जो प्रोनाउन यूज करना है वो सिर्फ आई यूज करना है. यूज पास्ट टेंस. मोस्ट ऑफन वी यूज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस इन राइटिंग डायरी एंट्री, दैट इज सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई सेलिब्रेटेड माई बर्थडे लास्ट वीक. I enjoyed a lot. I cut the cake. We danced. So here second form of verb is used. And other tense which is used for writing diary entry is present perfect tense. See students, present perfect tense is used for the action that is recently completed. So for it we use has or have plus third form of verb. And if you want to know more about these tenses, I have already uploaded separate videos on tenses. If you have any doubt, you can go and check those videos to get more knowledge. Or future tense. In future tense, any of the future tense can be used. For example, if you are making resolution, so you have to use future tense. Write the events in the correct order. It means the order in which they took place. Now, if you are going to somebody's birthday party, you cannot start your diary saying that the cake was very delicious. Although we all are very interested in having the cake, but write the sentences, describe the events in the correct order, chronological order. Provide important details of the place, people, or things that were part of the event. Use simple and informal language. As the diary is writer's personal document, the diary entry doesn't need any signature. It is totally optional. Now students, many times you people keep on asking whether to sign at the end or not, write the name at the end of the diary or not. So it is totally optional. If your teacher tells you to write the name, you write it. If your teacher tells you to omit it, then don't write it. So it is optional. If you write it, then also it is correct. If you don't write, even then it is correct. Now students, here is the format of a diary entry. So how do we write diary entry? On extreme left hand side, first we write day, comma, date. So here you can write the day and the date on which your exam is held. And in the second line, write time. For example, 10:30 p.m. So p.m. should be in small letters. After that, a suitable heading, which is totally optional. So in diary entry, actually we don't require it. So that's why I have put a cross over here. You don't need to write the heading. Now students, as I have discussed earlier, diary is like our best friend with whom we share all our secrets. So that is why we address the diary like a friend. Dear diary. Now students, this is the format: day, date, time and dear diary. If you have written this much, you are going to get 1 mark for this. अगर आपने डे, डेट, टाइम और डियर डायरी लिख दिया तो इसी के लिए आपको 1 नंबर आराम से मिल जाएगा. एंड सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स माइट से दैट चलो 1 नंबर तो मिल जाएगा, पर इसके बाद डायरी में लिखना क्या है, हमें तो पता ही नहीं है क्या लिखना है. So students, I have given you some of the sentences which would help you to start and close your diary, and in between you can describe the situation or the event which is there in the question. We may start like this: today was an exciting day, or today was a wonderful day, a surprising day, a disappointing day. See, I have told you earlier also that the situation which would be given to you, it might be a happy situation. Sometimes the person is upset, sometimes it is very surprising. So according to the situation given in the question, you may use any of these words. Or you may also write, I am extremely happy. And one more good phrase for expressing happiness is, my joy knows no bounds. If you are sad, you may write, I am extremely sad, I'm extremely upset, I'm extremely disappointed. And if it is a surprise, you may write, I'm extremely surprised or astonished. And after that, you can also write, it was the best day of my life, or it was the worst day of my life, depending on the situation. And you may write, I never had such a beautiful experience before, or I never had such a worst or shocking experience before. So students, these are the lines which you can use in any of the diaries. And after writing these 2-3 lines, you have to write the content of the diary. Here, whatever event or situation is given in the question, just describe it using either past tense or present perfect tense. And in the end, you can always write, it was really a memorable day or memorable experience. I will never forget this in my life. And at the end, you have to write the name, that is signature. So students, isn't it simple? Now let me discuss the marking scheme. Once you know the marking scheme, then you will be able to get more marks because you won't leave out any of the points. See, diary entry for class 9th students is for 5 marks. So your format carries 1 mark. Under the format comes your day, date, time, salutation, that is dear diary, and name or signature. If you have written this much, you are going to get 1 mark. And the content, it is for 2 marks. Now students, the situation is already given in the question. Sometimes hints are provided to you. You simply have to use correct sentences and describe it. And then 2 marks are for expression. Here the examiner is going to check whether your sentences are grammatically accurate, that is correct, and your spelling should also be correct. So this is the division of marks. Now students, here is a sample diary for you. You are Neha. Today is your birthday and your father has gifted you a laptop. You are very happy to own it as you wanted to have it for a long time. Before going to bed, you intend to share your joy with your diary. Write a diary entry in 100 to 120 words expressing your feelings. Now students, this question is for 5 marks, so the word limit is 100 to 120 words. It means you have to finish your diary within say 10 to 12, 13 lines. Now let's write the diary. Left hand side top will write day, Tuesday, 26 January 2021. So day and date. Second line we write time, 10:30 p.m. Now leave one line. After that address your diary like a friend, dear diary. Once again leave one line. My joy knows no bounds today. It means I'm extremely happy today. It is my birthday and my father has given me a portable laptop as a gift. So has given me, present perfect tense. It is like a dream come true as I always wanted to possess one for a long time. So I always wanted to have a laptop. So wanted, second form of verb, that is simple past tense is used. Now I would be able to browse the necessary information that I could not find in the library. I can't thank my father enough for the gift that he has given. He has never deprived us of anything in life. Now second paragraph. So here once again you are going to leave one line. Now, I can communicate with people through email and even chat with my friends. I can play games during my leisure time. Although it is a small thing, it holds the entire world. I hope I'm able to use this gift effectively. The internet today can make us global. So it has great relevance in today's world. I will never forget this day in my whole life. Now the name of the person, which is already given in the question, Neha. This is totally optional. So students, I hope with these tips you will be able to frame a good diary on your own. Now it's homework time. So here is a question for you. Practice exercise. While going home, you came across many children on the roads at crossroads with begging bowls in their hands. You are shocked and disgusted at this unflattering picture of a country which boasts of being a major economy in the world. Record your experience in your diary. So here you have to express your shock or you are disgusted. So you should make use of the words which would describe these feelings. Okay, students, now I hope you will be able to do this homework on your own. Thank you very much for watching this video, and for more such videos, kindly subscribe my channel. Please do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Now students, you can give your precious comments whether you like the explanation or if you want any changes, you may write it there. And you may also mention the topics on which you want me to make new videos. Thank you very much.